Hey, what's up? It's CJ here, dad, self-improvement enthusiast, and serial entrepreneur, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about or review the Brio, and I got this sent to me from the brand, and I am here to check it out. This is the Brio Beardscape, and this is the Brio Raze, and this is the razor, electric razor, and this is the kind of trimmer here, beard trimmer and kind of liner upper here. First of all, I just want to say the packaging for this brand was amazing. Great brand as far as just aesthetics and build quality. When I feel this in my hand, it's a very solid product, and also was very surprised at the digital readout here on the lower half of this. It's pretty nice. It has different kind of modes. Also, the ability to change the height of what you're cutting, so you can actually raise and lower this. And when you click on the button here, you can actually change the RPMs and either raise it or lower it. I believe it has 3 modes of RPM, and it also has a digital readout that tells you how long the battery will last. I do like that this comes with a charging stand, which is nice, and just being able to have that sitting there charging, ready to go, is nice. I use this on my kind of beard here, shaped it up just a little bit. It's not as sharp as a real like trimmer that you would use, like clippers. As far as these as a trimmer, I think a lot of people could use these in different areas. I think this is a full body trimmer. I don't know if you need to trim down hair on your chest, or trim down hair around your neck, or you have a beard. I have just the goatee here, but if you have a full beard, I can see how this can get you like that kind of brush, where you have a little bit of a shadow, get it nice and low, or use the different guards that actually come with it. Some very nice guards that come with it. I think the guards are reversible, so one side is short, other side is long, and I believe they increase in size as you go up. But as you flip them, you can actually put a different size guard on there. And as far as this goes, fairly good product. I think it's very nice, and this was an interesting try for me. This Raze was an interesting try for me. I've never used one of these before. I've had, I think, another brand send it to me, and I've never used it on my head. Now, this is a razor that is meant to shave your head, shave all that down without using just a regular razor. I typically use a razor, but I do have areas in the back where the skin is a little bit sensitive to razors, and I get razor bumps and stuff like that, especially around the bottom area down here. But I do not shave my face with a razor. Now, this worked well on my head. Was it as close as a razor? No. I would say it was not as close as a razor. I will say, though, that it was close enough that I would consider using one of these. Now, I would definitely use this in the back of my head and in those areas where it is, my hair is very sensitive, or my neck is very sensitive. I would rather use this because it doesn't, give me that irritation. It doesn't give me those bumps. But I also use it on my face, and this product worked very well. Being able to flex like it does, and being able to kind of have that pivot head on there. It was very easy to go around my neck area and underneath my chin and get those hairs that I normally don't want to use my trimmers with, because my trimmers tend to cut this area here. And yeah, I was very satisfied with how it shaved my face and how it shaved the back of my head. So I can see this as a great alternative. So I actually have a coupon code for this for you to get either 10% off or $10 off for this. Brio sent me this product to try out. All, just to give you all the disclaimers here. If you do click on the link below to purchase, you will get 10% off, but I believe I get a commission off of that, so I appreciate that. And it's either $10 off or 10% off, one or the other. Just it's listed down below, but the link is down below. I think this is a great gift for fathers, great gift for dads. I think if you are into the market trying to find something else to shave with, I would consider it. Give it a try. It's a nice product, very well made, good branding, good packaging, and the product is it's legit. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, if you like this video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.